Hey, do you want to give a little teaser on what you're going to be presenting at your workshop at the
Yeah,
Fempreneurs Leadership and Marketing Conference?
yeah, absolutely. So we're talking about magic and marketing. There are two sides of you running your business. There's your being, your soul, your spirit, the energetic side of you that allows income to show up or that blocks it, that allows content to come forward or that blocks it. And then there's the side of you that actually is doing the work to show up and creating the content and making things happen. And there's strategies that go into place for making that easy and streamlined and not such a slog to every week wonder, what am I going to post on social media? Or like, when am I going to email my list? And all those hard, difficult things that we do. So there's two sides. There's the being and the doing. And we're going to talk about how to get out of our own way on both of those sides.
I think over my whole life, I've always looked to support women and elevate women in the things that I did. And I've always been so fortunate in my life that I am where I am today because I had so many women lift me and take me to levels that I didn't know or believe that I could achieve myself.
Fempreneur Leadership and Marketing Conference. Boom. I said
Yes.
it. Yay. So what are you going to be speaking about at that event?
I know a lot of my friends are just feeling overwhelmed in terms of how do I entertain my kids? How do I work and get them schooled and actually like being at home? Because,
Right.
the thought of being all together for 4 weeks is terrifying to some families. I mean, how do you even start those conversations?
Yeah.
So my presentation is really going to be talking about how to go from chaos to calm in 4 weeks. What it's really helped me, especially during COVID, is a network of amazing women.
Mm-hmm.
I actually wouldn't still be in business without you. Like, seriously, I was really struggling. How do I pivot my business that was literally hands-on in people's homes to supporting them virtually, to online coaching, to working with families virtually? It was really challenging. And then even doing this, like how to figure out Instagram and like, oh man, it's just been a huge learning curve.
All right. Thanks, Shannon. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.